Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another John Chow screencast. It's the first of the month, so I figure this would be a good time to give you a little update on my ClickFunnels affiliate income. You may have seen some of my past video where I show how much I made with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So I figure, hey, this is a good time for an update. So let's dive right into it. Now, actually, before I do, I want to give a little disclaimer. What I'm about to show you is my results. My results is nowhere indicative of what you can expect to be your results. So, this is what I made. What I make does not translate to what you will make. Just because I made it doesn't mean you will make it, okay? Because, I have over 10 plus years of internet marketing experience, so my result will be the exception and not the rule in generally. But I want to show to you as, excuse me, I want to show this to you as a proof that you can make money online, that you can make money with the ClickFunnels affiliate program, and B, to provide you some inspiration to say that, if I can do it, you can do it. Well, I've been doing this for quite a while now. I've started just like you. No experience, no nothing. First 8 months of my internet, of my blog, first 8 months of my blog, I made zero. So, that's just, yeah. So, and if you look at, if you know my background, where I came from, my farming village in mainland China, came to America with zero, my family, and become an internet millionaire. So yeah, if I can do it, you can do it, but these are my results, okay? So just keep that in mind. Okay, with that disclaimer out of the way, let's get right to it. All right, so this is my ClickFunnels dashboard here, and you can see that since I started with the program, I made $62,193.38 since I started. Off that, I've been paid $57,000 and change, and that's the pending payout. And ready to pay out, this is $134, ready to pay out next Monday. So next Monday I can expect this much plus the ready to pay out. That's in the holding period while they're waiting for the funds to clear, I suppose. And so far today I made $5.80, but it's only 8:33 a.m. right now, so it's it's the morning, the day just started, so you never know what it will become. But you can see here, these are the results for the last week. 580, yesterday was 138, 378, 144, 140, 18, 33. So it varies, it ranges, but last 7 days, I made $1,700 and $79.52. And the last 30 days, $4,698.65. So, hey, not too bad. I mean, that's pretty much full-time income on part-time work. Hey, so you really can't complain, because the reason I love ClickFunnels so much is because this income, the majority of this income, virtually all of it is passive income, because ClickFunnels, it's a monthly recurring thing. So you make the money every single month because the affiliate commission is 40% of the bill. So the bill ranges from $97 to $297 a month, and I get 40% of that every single month, long as the customer remains a ClickFunnels customer. So while these numbers here are great, the number I keep track of is down here, right here, these numbers right here. This is called the MRR, monthly recurring revenue. So this is basically how much I can expect to make every single month because of the customer's billing. And if you look at that, it's $3,110.34. So I can expect every month to make $3,100 from ClickFunnels monthly recurring revenue. And that's really the number I track. As long as this keeps going up, I'm okay, because this is passive income. It's being paid for stuff I made in the past that I'm getting paid for every single month, right? And so right now I have 4 new trials, 2 customers currently trying out ClickFunnels, and the potential monthly recurring revenue from these trials is $157.60. So if these trials become customer, I can expect to add $157 to this number. And that's the number to keep track of. So that's basically what I've been doing with ClickFunnels. So far, I'm happy with the progress. I'm adding more and more customers every single month, and the monthly recurring revenue goes up every single month. And as a result, my income keeps going up. If you recall, I believe this is higher than my last update. I'll link to my last update. You can see the growth, but the growth is, I'm happy with the growth. And the great thing is, as I keep adding more customers, the monthly recurring revenue keeps going up. And then this is 100% passive income. This allows me tremendous financial security because I know this money is going to come in every single month, and therefore this is bankable money, and this is gives me peace of mind. All right. So of all the affiliate programs that I promote, ClickFunnels is one of the best because well, it's passive income. The customer is locked to you for life. So all these customers I got from ClickFunnels, if they buy any additional products from ClickFunnels, I get a commission from it. So it's like building my own business. So the best way to find out about ClickFunnels is to go to the One Funnel Away Challenge. I'll have a link below this video. It's basically a 30-day challenge, and it teaches you for 30 days. You're going to get videos, coaching, mastermind group that'll show you what ClickFunnels is, how to use ClickFunnels, and how to make money with ClickFunnels. So I recommend, if you're interested to find out how I'm making money with this, how I'm using ClickFunnels, go through the challenge. It's designed hand-holding, step-by-step. If you're brand new to this, by the time you finish the challenge, you will know how to make money with ClickFunnels. And so yeah, basically that's it. So the link for this challenge is below this video. Go take advantage of it. I'm going for the challenge myself as well because it's brand new. I like to check out new stuff that Russell has, and I'm going for the challenge. And so far, I'm very, very impressed with the content that's inside, and basically it's well worth it. Go through it. So yeah, any question? Leave it down below. I love to take a look at them. I'll answer them, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the challenge, and I hope you join me in the challenge. So see you guys next time.